In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts and accounts in Freshsales. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and click the Contacts tab. This takes you to your contacts list view, where you can manage existing records or bring in new ones. In the list view, click the Import Contacts button to start the import process. Freshsales will ask what type of file you are importing. Choose either CSV or Excel, depending on the format you have saved. If you are not sure which to use, CSV is a common choice and usually imports cleanly, as long as your columns are labeled clearly. Next, select the option for contacts and accounts. This is important because it tells Freshsales you want to import people and also connect them to their companies during the same upload, instead of importing contacts alone. Now upload your file. You can browse your device to select it, or you can drag and drop the file into the upload area. Before moving on, it helps to confirm your file includes the key columns you care about, like name, company, and email, since those are often used to identify records and prevent messy data later. After the file is uploaded, you will map columns. This means matching each column header in your spreadsheet to the correct Freshsales field. For example, if your file has a column labeled email, map that to the Freshsales email field. Take your time here, because accurate mapping ensures your data lands in the right place and it reduces cleanup after the import. Then choose your import type. You can create new contacts to add everything as brand new records, update only existing contacts to change records that are already in the CRM, or create new and update existing to do both in one go when duplicates are detected. You will also set how duplicates are handled. Choose whether matching records should be skipped, overwritten, or updated without overwrite. In general, overwriting replaces existing values, while updating without overwrite keeps existing values and only fills blanks from your file. Next, assign an owner. You can assign all imported contacts to a specific user, or map a column in your file to the sales owner field so ownership is set per row. If you are using marketing lists, you can check the box to subscribe contacts to emails only when they have consented. Finally, click Import Now. Freshsales will process the import and send you an email summary when it is complete. And that covers everything you need to know.